First of all, go to View panel, then Show Grids. Zoom the screen until the grids are shown clearly. Use Line Segment tool and draw a line on the grid. Then draw second line, and there is a distance of 3 grids. Draw third lines and same as it is. These lines should be straight. The distance should be mentioned. Select all, Ctrl G and lock it. Draw a circle. Another circle. Arrange it. Select all. Use Shape Builder tool carefully by using Alt key. Keep your design aside and remove the unwanted area. Remove grids. Make it copy of your size by using Alt key. Remove the fill. Select all. Go to Pathfinder. Oh, sorry. Firstly, remove the irrelevant anchor point. It's good. Now select all. Go to Pathfinder and then divide it. Select all and ungroup it. Select. Go to eyedropper tool and fill the color. Remove the stroke. Go to rectangle tool. Fill color. Select. Arrange and send to back. Okay.